Bradley with 2B Brewing. We're gonna try our Milk Stout, see how it tastes. I'm gonna crack open our partial bottle. It's only filled to here, so hopefully we'll hear the gas release from the bottle, meaning it carved up. Ooh, that sounds good. Smells good. Probably not the best glass for head retention, but not bad. That's good. Smooth. There's a hint of the bitterness behind there of the hops, and there's a bit of that chocolate. I bottled this beer 21 days ago. Just a couple of days ago, I took this bottle and I put it in the fridge, give it that final yeast suspension. There's a little bit in the bottom, which is what you would expect for bottle condition. I call this a good success. The 14-gallon FermTank from Delta Brewing Systems certainly works for a 5-gallon batch. If you want to see more home brewing how-tos, equipment usage, such as this 14-gallon FermTank fermenter from Delta Brewing Systems, hit subscribe so you're notified in the next video. If you like this one, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.